Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can use Claude AI with Google Sheets. So let's get started. So you're going to open the sheet that contains your data. So you're going to simply copy your data that can be rows, columns, or full table. And then you can paste it into Claude and you can ask any question related to the data, such as analyze this data and summarize key trends. Or you can also say clean this data and return a formatted table. As you can see, the table over here in our Google Sheets, it's quite messy and it's not really a table, I'll say. And now you can see that Claude has returned a really nice formatted table. So you can simply copy the table from here and go back to your Google Sheets, select the cells that you wish to format, and simply paste that copied content over here. And now you can see that we have gotten that formatted table over here, and it is best for data analysis, content generation, and quick formatting. Now, the other method is API method. If you want automation, this is where it gets powerful. So first, you're going to get your Claude API key. So you're going to go to anthropic.com, and here you're going to generate your API key and copy it. Then you're going to go to Google Sheets and click extensions. And then you're going to select app script and paste this script over here. So you'll be able to find this script in the description box below. So simply copy that script from there and paste it. And over here in the API key, you got to paste the API key that you just copied from the console of Anthropic. And if your key is valid and you do have Claude tokens, you got to click on run and your script will be run. And then you can go to any cell and type in equal call Claude. And then you can type in any question, such as write a product description for a smartwatch. Press enter, and then it will send the request to Claude, and then Claude will generate the output and send that back to Google Sheets via that API key. So that is basically how you can use Claude AI with Google Sheets. So if you found this guide helpful, please consider subscribing and leaving a like. It really helps me out, and I'll see you next time.